Hey Globetrotters, so it is the night before I leave to Atlanta. Atlanta is in less than 24 hours and I am now packing. So I just made it back from the laundromat. It was rough, but it's safe to say I made it here and I have my stuff to pack. This is a minimalist packing video. So I am only bringing a carry-on size suitcase. So my little suitcase, and I'm bringing minimal clothes, minimal toiletries, and let's just get right into it. So Atlanta is 7 days and I'm going to do minimal packing for 7 days. So let me show you how I'm packing my suitcase. So starting with footwear, I am bringing my shell toe Adidas because I think out of the 7 days that I'll be in Atlanta, it's only going to be sunny for 2 of those days. The rest of the days it's raining. So I'm bringing these sneakers because they're very minimal and they're much smaller and lighter than my clunky rain boots. Next up are my 3 pairs of jeans that will go on the top part. Then my 1 pair of sweatpants, 1 pair of pajama bottoms, 2 of my sleeping t-shirts. Underwear and socks will fit in this corner here. My 3 button-up shirts. My 3 long sleeve shirts, my 4 undershirts. I'll fold them in half right here since there's a perfect little space in this corner for them. And last but not least, my sweatshirt. So my 1 sweatshirt because it is going to be a little cold some nights, and 1 jacket. So this is my suitcase once everything is all zipped up. In this front pocket here, I do have a pair of slippers. So they're very minimal slippers. They're a little dirty, but those are my slippers, my travel slippers. I have a little carabiner here just in case I need to clip anything to the front of my suitcase. So that's basically it. So if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe. Like this video if you liked what you saw today. This is the beginnings, the early beginnings of me switching into a minimalist travel lifestyle. So please forgive me if it's not as minimal as it could be. This is my first minimalist travel trip. So I'm really excited about that. In my next video, I'll show you what I'm taking in my personal items. So you're allowed 1 carry-on item and 1 personal item. So I'm going to show you what's in my personal item, in my personal, well, pocketbook. It's not a pocketbook, it's a book bag. But I'm going to show you what's in that in the next video. So have a great night or a great morning whenever you're watching this.